Hi, Assalamualaikum to everyone. Today in this video, I want to explain about the air pollution that occur in our world. So, let me introduce you what its definition, causes and effects from this air pollution. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution refers to any physical, chemical or biological change in the air from human activity that are very dangerous to people. Inhaling this quality of air can increase the chance of our health problems. It is the contamination of air by harmful gases, dust and smoke which is affect the plants, animals and human drastically. There are also few causes that cause the air pollution. The first one is open burning of the garbage waste. The household that throw up their garbage waste tend to burn their garbage waste in front of their house or at the neighborhood. The garbage waste that they burn contains toxic chemical that release into the air. The second one is factory and industry. Factories and industry are the main source of carbon monoxide, organic compound, hydrocarbon and chemical. These are released into the air and degrading its quality. The third one is automobiles. The gases that emitted from vehicles such as jeep, trucks, lorries, bus and cars pollute the environment. These are the major source of the greenhouse gases. The last one is agricultural activity. The use of the insecticides, pesticides and fertilizer is the common user that used on the agricultural activity. This is the one of the cause that increase our air pollution in this world. How about the effects? There are also few effects that affects our world and human drastically. The first one is acid rain. The burning of fossil fuels release harmful gases such as nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides in the air. The water droplet combined with this pollutant become acidic and fall as acid rain which is damage the human, animals and plants life. The second one is human health. Air pollution air pollution has resulted in several respiratory disorders and heart diseases among the humans. As the example, the cases of lung cancer have increased in the last few decades. Children living near polluted areas are more prone to pneumonia and asthma. This is the cause of people die every year due to the direct or indirect effects of the air pollution. The third one is the effects on animal. This air pollutant suspend on the water bodies and affect the aquatic life. Pollution also compel the animal to leave their habitat and shift to a new place. This render them stray and has also led to the extinction of a large number of animal species. The last one is global warming. Due to the emission of greenhouse gases, there is an imbalance in the gaseous composition of the air. This has led to an increase in the temperature of our Earth. This increase in Earth temperature is known as the global warming. So as you can see on the slide, there are few pictures that shows the causes of the air pollution. The first one, second one and third one is the picture of emission of industry and factories that release their gases into the air from their activity. This one shows the open burning of the garbage waste, and for this activity, this is a agricultural activity that use of the pesticide, insecticides and fertilizer on their activity. And the last one is the automobile. As you can see on the back, there is a gas that emitted from the vehicle, yeah, which is the cars. And all those pictures shows the causes of the air pollution. So, in this video, I want to share with you guys the problem that occur in my daily life. The problem is open burning of garbage waste at the neighborhood. As you can see, this is one of the example that shows the open burning of the garbage waste. Most of my neighbors tend to burn the garbage waste that they throw up at the outside. So, how can I make sure that my family did not follow their steps? To prevent the open burning of the garbage waste, I will show you a solution. So, to prevent the open burning of garbage waste, my family chose to use the 3R method, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Before we throw up the garbage waste, we will make sure that we separate it into these three categories first. For those items that didn't fit the 3R category, it will fit into the disposal category. So by using this method, we can prevent the open burning of the garbage waste and can increase our quality of the air. By using the 3R methods to separate the garbage waste, we can learn and know what the item that classifies as reduce, reuse, and recycle item. Other than that, we also know what the disposal item before we throw it up or burn it. As, as I mentioned before, in the dustbin, there are few items that fit into the 3Rs category and contain chemicals. When we try to separate the garbage waste, we clearly saw that we use too much paper, books, template, boxes, glasses, and also various items in our daily life. Instead to throw up this item, we prefer to isolate this item first and give it to the lorries that come into our neighborhood and collect this item. Or we also take this item to our local recycling center. By doing this, the local recycling center will manufacture the item into a new product. In addition, for the plastic food container that we found, when we try to separate it, we will reuse it back as the take-out container to put the food. Other than that, the plastic bottle also can be used as a pot to plant the plants. In addition, my family also avoid to use the item like straw, plastic cup, and so on. Moreover, when we go to shop grocery, I will make sure that we bring our own bag instead of getting the plastic at the counter or at the market. By doing this method, it will reduce our air pollution and increasing our quality of air, and it also increase our chance to get a healthy lifestyle in our life. So, this is the pictures of the solution for the problem. In this picture, it clearly shows that me and my sibling use the 3R method to separate the garbage waste before we throw up at the outside. In the dustbin, there are few of the items that fit into the 3R categories, which is reuse, reduce, and recycle. So we will separate it first before we throw up at the outside. So in this video, I would like to invite you guys to take care of our planet and follow my step. By following my step, we can reduce the air pollution and can also enjoy the highest quality of the air. The earth is what all of us have in common. So let's protect and take good care of our universe with a full of love. Don't forget to think wise and save our planet. That's all from me. Thank you. And lastly, on this slide, it shows the reference that I use to explain about the air pollution. Thank you.